Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Right, what have I got for you today? Well, I have another release from our lovely Dawn over on ShinySilverTreasures, and yeah, it is part of the Cutesy collection. The release last month was part of the Cutesy collection. I think it's absolutely brilliant. I love it. And also, I've still got them here. The stamps of Best Friends, which is me and our Dawn, are part of the Cutesy collection as well. So, yes, I have an unboxing. I have this. No idea what it is. Yeah, we'll look at that in a minute. So, let me get these out. Ooh, so here we are. Right, okay. I have to say now, I don't know which is which. I can't remember. But we have some ephemera. One's a robin with a branch and the other one's a dragon with a cup of coffee. And I'm guessing that the robin is Christine from Christine's Cards and Things. And the dragon one is Rachael from Blue, I never get this right. Is it Blue Jean Creations or Blue Jane Creation? I think it's Blue Jeans Creations. But yes, like I said, I'm not sure whose is whose, but I'm taking a guess. So we have these. And Dawn does offer a print and post option. So these are them. Isn't that dragon just awesome? That is brilliant. And a cute little robin. Oh, I love them. I love them. So let's get in at these papers. Ooh, they look lovely, don't they? So the papers are 8 by 8. Let's get that out. And they come with a little strip at the bottom. You could either cut them out or leave it as a strip like that. I love the colours. They go so well with this dragon. I can't wait to play. Oh, look at the colours. They're so vibrant. I hope it's showing up nice on the camera. But this one is like pinks and purples and bluey. Beautiful, put it that way. And then we've got the coffee with like a very vibrant pink and like browns and neutral colours and purples again. And then it repeats. So I think you get 4 sheets of each. Let me just check. 2. Yeah, so it's 4 sheets of each. So yeah, that's them. Where are you? There you go. So that is the dragon papers. So that's our lovely Rachael's set. And this is, I'm so excited to play with these. They've been sat under my desk forever. And I didn't want to open them because I wanted my surprise to be your surprise as well. So yeah. Oh, look. I love the colours of this paper. It's like green. Green's not a colour I would choose to do, but they do go really, really well with the purple. Purple and green go well together anyway, so these pages will match. Yeah, they will. Oh, love. Love, love, love. So yeah, so it's 4 of each of them. Yeah. So I'm just going to fan them out so you can see. And then we'll get to that little box, that gorgeous little box, whatever's in it. Yeah, I can't remember what Dawn said it was. And I've been poorly since then, so yeah, you have to forgive me for that. Let me just spread these out. Oh, aren't they just absolutely gorgeous? Love them. Absolutely love them. Right, let's see. Ooh, what is it in this box? What does it say? No, it just says released. It doesn't say what it actually is. So, oh, right. Okay. Yes, now I know. It is a little mini card making kit. Sorry, I'm gonna cough. Oh, the only thing left of the bug I had is this horrible irritating cough. Right, so in this mini card making kit you get thank you stickers, beautiful. You get a little bag of goodies, so you've got a bow, a couple of buttons, and I believe these little things are drills from the diamond art paintings. So yeah, I love them. I think they're brilliant. You get a selection of happy birthday sentiments. Have a look, see. Oh, they're shiny. Oh, and a thank you. So you get happy birthdays and thank yous, and she has put bedazzling in there as well. Ooh, we have a little die set. I'm not sure what it is. I think it's a bird. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's Superman. Yeah. I don't actually know what it is. Well, I know they're branches. Do these fit in here somehow? Right, no. One way, Claire. No. So that is definitely a branch. I'm not actually sure what this is. Anybody tell me? Is it a bird? Is it a parrot? What's this? Good cough again. Oh dear. Dawn, you'll have to tell me what this die makes up, because I really haven't got a clue. I think it's a bird. Could be an owl. Could be a lizard. I don't actually know. I don't know what it is. So yes, please Dawn, enlighten me as to what these dies make up. So yeah. I don't know. Or one of the design team, if you know, please tell me. All right, so you get, let me see, two craft card bases with their envelopes. I'm gonna cough again, I'm so sorry. Right, okay. So yeah, you get, like, I suppose matte and layering, so you get a white one. Gorgeous satin purple, I'd say. Some textured paper, that feels lovely, that. You get a green. I don't know what size these are actually. I've got a ruler somewhere. I haven't got a ruler. Where is my ruler? Oh, I've got my little one. So these measure 4 by 4 squares. So coughing again. Oh dear, might have to stop the camera and go and get a chick of water. So the card bases measure 3.5. So yeah, so you've got your matching layers and you've got your design paper. Beautiful. We've had these ones before, I think. They look familiar, but yeah. So that is your mini card making kit. I'm lost. Oh, I love to be lost. So yeah, there we go. I think I need to go and get a drink of water and a throat sweet thing. So yes, that is my unboxing, my coughing unboxing. Good God. Yeah, so I'm gonna say goodbye now before I really start coughing. So yeah, this will be released on It should be the 1st of May that this video will be going up. It is available in Dawn's online shop, where you can get the option for print and posted. And yeah, also go take a look at the design team. Oh dear. Right, stop talking. Just say goodbye, Claire. Okay, I'm saying goodbye. If you enjoyed watching, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And I will see you in another video very soon. Sorry for the coughing.